Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn about absolute equations. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve absolute equations. Before going further, I would like to give you some tips. First one, we use basic definition when involving with one modulus. For example, absolute value of x equals to 4, absolute value of x plus 8 equals to 2, or absolute value of 5x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 9. Otherwise, we use squaring both sides method. This method we only use when involving with two modulus. For example, absolute value of 2x plus 6 equals to absolute value of x minus 1. Before going further, let us recap our previous video about basic definitions of absolute value. Absolute value can be written as modulus A, and it is defined as positive A if A is A units away to the right and minus A if A units away to the left. Now, let's look at your lecture note. Example 8a. If I have the absolute value of x equals to 4, by using the basic definition, we know that the value of x from 0 is 4 units away to the left and to the right. We can say that x is equals to 4 and x equals to minus 4. Let's look at the example 8b. If I have the absolute value of x plus 8 equals to 2, here I would say that the distance of x plus 8 from 0 is 2 units away to the left and to the right. So it would be x plus 8 equals to 2 and x plus 8 equals to minus 2. However, we want the value of x. So by solving these two simple equations, it will give me the answer x equals to minus 6 and x equals to minus 10. Here, we don't have to recheck. Let's look at the example 8c. If I have the absolute value of 5x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 9, we use the basic definition and we can say that 5x plus 3 is equals to positive 2x plus 9 and 5x plus 3 equals to minus 2x plus 9. By solving these two simple equations, the first x will be x equals to 2 and the second x would be x equals to negative 12 over 7. But we have to check whether this value of x are satisfied. This is because both sides have the variable of x. So we have to make sure that these two values of x satisfy the left hand side and right hand side. We use table to recheck it. So left hand side it will be absolute value of 5x plus 3. The right hand side would be 2x plus 9. So substitute the value of x equals to 2 and x equals to negative 12 over 7 into the left hand side and right hand side as shown. Since left hand side is equals to right hand side for both values, we can conclude that the value of x are satisfied for the absolute value of 5x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 9. Let's look at the squaring both side methods. We know that the absolute value can be written as modulus A is equals to square root of A squared. So if I square both sides, I will get the absolute value of A squared is equals to A squared. Let's try. to solve this example 8e. I have the rational equations here. The absolute value of x plus 1 over x minus 3 is equals to 2. So by using the properties of absolute value, we can say that absolute value of x plus 1 over absolute value of x minus 3 is equals to 2. Then I can cross multiply. It will give me absolute value of x plus 1 equals to 2 times absolute value of x minus 3. Here, we can say that these equations have two absolute values. It means we have to use squaring both sides. So, I square both of them. And we know that it will left with x plus 1 squared equals to 2 squared will be 4, x minus 3 squared. Expand this quadratic equation, it will give me like this. And simplify this. So it will give me the answer 3x squared minus 26x plus 35 equals to 0. This gives me a quadratic equation. So factorize this equation and it will give me 3x minus 5 times x minus 7. So my answer would be x equals to 5 over 3 and x equals to 7. For this type of questions, we don't have to recheck.